From clunky, steam-powered contraptions to the sleek, silent electric rides of today, the evolution of the car is one of the most incredible stories of human innovation. It's a journey that has completely transformed our world, shaping our cities, our lifestyles, and even our dreams. So buckle up, and let's take a high-speed tour through the history of the automobile. Our story begins in the late 19th century. While many inventors were tinkering with steam and electric carriages, it was Karl Benz in 1886 who patented the first practical automobile powered by an internal combustion engine. His Benz patent motor wagon was a three-wheeled marvel that kicked off a revolution. But it was an American visionary, Henry Ford, who truly put the world on wheels. In 1908, he introduced the Model T. It wasn't the fastest or the fanciest car, but thanks to the revolutionary assembly line, it was affordable. For the first time, the average family could own a car, and the freedom of the open road became a reality for millions. This wasn't just a new product, it was the dawn of a new era of personal mobility. As we cruise into the mid-20th century, the automobile transformed from a simple utility into a powerful symbol of style, freedom, and prosperity, especially in post-war America. The 1950s and 60s were the golden age of automotive design. Think big, bold, and beautiful. We're talking about iconic tail fins on a Cadillac, the raw power of the Ford Mustang, and the dreamy curves of the Chevrolet Corvette. Cars were an extension of personality. Chrome gleamed under the sun, powerful V8 engines rumbled with authority, and rock and roll blasted from the AM radio. This era wasn't just about getting from point A to point B. It was about the thrill of the drive and making a statement wherever you went. From family road trips in spacious station wagons to cruising down Main Street in a hot rod, cars became central to the cultural fabric of the time. Fast forward to the 1980s and 90s, and the focus of the automotive world began to shift dramatically. The oil crises of the 70s made fuel efficiency a top priority. Boxy, more aerodynamic designs took over, and smaller, more efficient engines became the norm. But the biggest revolution was happening under the hood and inside the cabin. This was the dawn of the electronic age for cars. Suddenly, our vehicles were getting smarter. Features that we take for granted today, like anti-lock brakes or ABS, became more common, drastically improving safety. Airbags went from a luxury option to a standard feature, saving countless lives. And inside, we saw the rise of digital dashboards, cassette players giving way to CD players, and eventually, the first rudimentary GPS navigation systems guiding us with a digital voice and a pixelated map. Cars were no longer just mechanical beasts, they were becoming sophisticated electronic partners for our daily lives. Now, we're living in what might be the most exciting chapter of automotive history yet. The hum of the internal combustion engine is slowly being replaced by the silent whisper of electric motors. Companies like Tesla have completely rewritten the rules, proving that electric cars can be incredibly fast, stylish, and packed with futuristic technology. The race is on, with nearly every major manufacturer now offering electric vehicles or EVs, promising a cleaner, more sustainable future for transportation. But it doesn't stop there. We're on the cusp of the autonomous revolution. Cars that can drive themselves are no longer science fiction. Advanced driver assistance systems are already making our journey safer and less stressful, and the vision of a fully self-driving car, a living room on wheels, is getting closer every single day. The future of the car is electric, it's connected to the internet, and it's smarter than we ever imagined. From Karl Benz's first rickety three-wheeler to the self-driving electric supercars of tomorrow, the journey of the automobile is a testament to our relentless drive to innovate and explore. These incredible machines have done more than just shrink the world. They've reflected our ambitions, our sense of style, and our dreams for a better future. The road ahead is wide open, and if the past is any indication, the next chapter in the story of the car will be the most thrilling one yet. What do you think the car of the future will look like? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing journeys through the history of invention.